Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. We are Jennifer and Jessica and we are twin sisters who love to share everything hair and beauty related. So if you're interested in that kind of content, kindly hit the subscribe button and keep watching. So today we'll be showing you guys how to make cloves two ways. We'll first of all be making clove water and then we'll be making clove oil. So stay tuned. Cloves, otherwise known as cloves tisane, is sourced from Indonesia. Cloves are very powerful, and other than having so many health benefits, it's widely and popularly known to induce hair growth. Cloves are commonly used in the form of clove water. Although it has so many benefits, clove water can be very drying to the hair and can actually break your hair off. This is because it's very antifungal. It can therefore break your hair if not paired with other herbs and properties. This is why today we'll be pairing our clove water with aloe vera, because this helps to balance it out. Cloves contain a property called eugenol, which increases blood flow to the scalp and leads to hair growth. Other benefits of cloves include that it has antifungal and anti-inflammatory purposes. It helps relieve stress, it cures bad breath, guys, and even fights cancer cells. Cloves also help unclog blocked pores which lead to dandruff. It helps regulate your menstrual cycles. It helps to fight insomnia, and in general, it improves the health of your skin and your hair. Due to the dry nature of cloves, and after watching a lot of reviews, it's however advised that you actually apply your clove water or clove spray directly onto your scalp, but not onto your hair. This is because it can be very drying and it can cause your hair to break off. However, if you've actually tried using clove water directly onto your hair and you've not experienced any breakage, you can actually go ahead and do that. Now, this clove oil is one of our favorites and has become some of your favorites because a lot of you guys have tried it and left reviews. But be careful, this clove oil is very potent and packed with powerful ingredients, so let's get into it. Firstly, of course, you'll need your cloves, which contain a high level of antioxidants and nutrients that would help to boost hair growth and strengthen your hair. Secondly, black seeds are so potent that they're actually considered an essential oil. They're very effective in regrowing thinning areas of your hair and scalp. Mustard seeds contain protein that helps to strengthen the hair and to prevent hair fall. double boiling your oil for 1 hour, you can actually strain the oil, or you can let it sit for 1 week like we did for better potency. This oil is so powerful and it treats a lot of things such as hair fall, dandruff, premature graying, weak and brittle hair, dry hair, and in general hair breakage. So guys, these are the 2 ways you can actually use cloves. Let us know down below in the comment section which one you prefer, clove water or clove oil, and let us know if you tried any of our recipes. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye!